So this is Neil from Ellen James. We specialise in bathroom and kitchen refurbishment. This was a little bathroom that we started last Monday, and so 6 days we've stripped and prepared, tiled and installed the new bathroom suite. So it's a new shower bath, a proper shower bath, new screen, funky sort of bath shower mixer. It goes into an overhead waterfall. I haven't tried it because I didn't want to get soaked. So we've got a lovely new screen which folds back, all fully lovely silicone all the way around the bottom and into the corner there. So it's a close couple toilet. So it's what they call a back to wall toilet. It's not a back to pan, it's a back to wall. And it's a rimless one as well, so the water when you flush it just flows around the rim. It doesn't drop out of like a hole like a traditional one does. We've got twin flush, so we've got a small flush and a large flush, so for a little flush for wheelies. And nice little drawers. And if you can see my pipe working, they're all nice and neat and tidy. Oh, a bit of water in there, we'll have to check that out. Looks like we've got a leak going on somewhere. It's not very good, is it? Should have checked that earlier. Good job I saw it now. There we go, we can't be perfect all the time, but I'll rectify that before we go. Anyway, that's it. Neil from Ellen James, another bathroom. 6 days, done and dusted.